Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin immediately by cleaning and isolating the scratch. This prevents new damage and shows the true depth. Once done, mask the surrounding trim and wet the glass thoroughly. You then take 600 grit wet sandpaper and sand along the scratch with light, even strokes. You keep the paper and glass wet to flush out grit and avoid heat buildup. This first step removes minor ridges and prepares the surface for finer correction. You move on once the scratch flattens, switching to 1000 grit then 2000 grit to refine the surface. This reduces visible haze by removing the sanding lines left behind. Make both circular and longitudinal passes so you don't create a directional pattern, and inspect under angled light to judge depth reduction. Keep the glass wet, rinse often to clear abrasive particles, and make sure to maintain even pressure. This is how you restore clarity without introducing new micro scratches. You finish by applying a cerium oxide polish with a damp foam pad and buff gently at low speed. This restores transparency by chemically and mechanically smoothing the final microabrasions. Once done, wipe residue with a clean microfiber and inspect against light. If slight haze remains, repeat a single polish pass. If the scratch is still deep or causes structural weakness, stop and consult a windshield specialist. Replacement is the safe fallback when repair cannot restore visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.